Experiencing issues with Optus international roaming? Let's get you connected. First, ensure roaming is activated in your phone's settings under mobile data. Prepaid users should make a one-time activation call using 125 or the Optus app. Verify your destination is covered by Optus roaming on their website or app. If you're still having trouble, restart your device and update your carrier settings via the Optus app. Outdated SIM cards pre-2023 may need replacement, obtainable for free at Optus stores or online. A quick check confirms if the issue is easily resolvable. These initial steps resolve most common activation failures, leading to a 95% success rate in popular destinations like the US and UK. If activation isn't the problem, incorrect APN settings might be the cause. The standard APN for Optus roaming is Yes Internet, or Internet for older plans, with a blank username and password. Manually configure this in your device's network settings. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Resetting to default can also help. Next, check for carrier lock, which restricts SIMs to Optus networks. Unlock your SIM via Optus customer service. This is often free for postpaid users and usually unlocked by default for prepaid SIMs post-2024. If you see invalid SIM abroad, it indicates a lock issue. Optus has integrated AI diagnostics to predict and automatically fix APN issues, aiming for zero-touch troubleshooting. For advanced issues, contact Optus support at 1-300-555-155.